Morning students, today we are going to start our next topic of chapter 6 microscope. So in the microscope, the instrument was first made in Holland in 1590 by Zacharias Janssen and his father. The microscope enables us to view microorganisms that are invisible to the naked eye. The invention of the microscope and the discovery of microorganisms help doctors understand the nature of many diseases and find out ways of preventing or curing them. So students, what is microscope? You can see here in the picture picture of microscope. This is microscope. Have you seen before? Yes, this microscope is used in the laboratory, in your bio lab, in your school, or in the lab you have seen. So this instrument was first made in हॉलैंड में इसको फर्स्ट बनाया गया इन 1590. हु मेड हिज साइंटिस्ट का नाम क्या था? ज़ैकरियस जैनसिन एंड उनके फादर एंड हिज फादर, बोथ ऑफ देम टुगेदर मेड दिस माइक्रोस्कोप, दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट. इट इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच इज़ यूज टू व्यू मतलब टू सी, देखने के लिए. माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स बिल्कुल छोटे जिनको हम वी कांट सी विद आवर नेकेड आई, जिनको अपने नंगी आंखों से हम नहीं देख सकते हैं, खुली आंखों से नहीं देख सकते हैं, तो माइक्रोस्कोप का यूज़ किया जाता है क्योंकि वो इतने छोटे होते हैं कि दिस मच स्मॉल दैट वी कांट सी विद नेकेड आइज. सो वी आर यूजिंग दिस माइक्रोस्कोप. सो द इन्वेंशन ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोप एंड द डिस्कवरी ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैज़ हेल्प. तो इस बाय द डिस्कवरी ऑफ दिस माइक्रोस्कोप से क्या हुआ? डिस्कवर माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म हुआ, जिससे पता चला कि माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर देयर. एंड इस माइक्रोस्कोप इज हेल्प द डॉक्टर्स को क्या हेल्प करा? दे हेल्प द डॉक्टर दैट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि नेचर ऑफ मैनी डिसीज़, कई बीमारियाँ डिसीज़ ऐसी होती हैं, सबका नेचर अलग अलग होता है. देयर आर सो मैनी वेज to prevent or cure them. In microorganisms say they are causing the disease, and there are so many ways of preventing मतलब to save from this disease and to make cure, उस बीमारी को दूर करने का तरीका. So now we are coming to next topic, other instruments. Other instruments beside the thermometer, the stethoscope, the microscope, several new instruments and machines have been invented. जिसमें से एक्सरे machines, ECG machine and CT scanners are some of them. So students, in thermometer, stethoscope, microscope we have read in this chapter. Our starting topics are thermometer, stethoscope and microscope. Now several new, इसके अलावा भी so many instruments, new instruments are also there. Machines are invented, डिस्कवरी की गई machines की, नई machines की, जिसमें से first of all is X-ray machine, ECG machine and CT scanner are some of them. उनमें से एक है new machines में. So now we are going to read about first of all X-ray machine. An X-ray machine is an apparatus which gives a picture of inside person's body. And X-rays are especially important for identifying fracture the bones. Scanners enable doctors to understand the problems of internal organs such as the brain. Laser is new technology. By using laser rays, doctors are able to treat patients without cutting open the affected parts. X-ray machine and later laser scanners. An X-ray machine, I told you that it is a apparatus. What is apparatus? It is a equipment for equipment using for person's body. So it gives a picture of the inside of a person's internal parts of person's body. Especially X-ray machines are using for identifying our bone fracture. If any bone is fractured in our body, so it is identified by the X-ray, by taking X-ray from X-ray machine. Maybe you have seen at your home, it is in the black color X-ray report. And scanners enable doctor to understand. These scanners are used for the problem of internal organs such as our brain. It is scanner tell us the problem, if any disease is there in our problem in our brain, internal it is our main part of our body which controls whole body. So this problem of the internal organ of our brain, scanner tell us, it understand the problems of our brain. So now laser is a new technology Laser is the new latest technology. It was a big invention, big discovery, because by using this laser, doctors can operate the patient without cutting or without losing his blood, and without cutting, without open the body part, they can do the operation with the help of the laser. Laser is a type of a ray. It is using to doing the operations of patients, okay, without cutting or without blood loss. Laser is very helpful. So now we are coming to next topic, weapons against. Okay students, bye, take care. Next topic we will read in our next video. So take care, stay home, stay safe.